Hello everyone, today I would like to share two beautiful phrases with you. The first one is fall into the trap and the second one is get carried away. In our day-to-day life, many times we follow unhealthy routines for years. We do not do yoga, meditation or anything to keep ourselves fit, and we end up harming our health. Sometimes we are not even able to focus on one particular thing. It also happens that we lose control over our emotions and feelings. So today, to express these situations, I have chosen two very useful phrases. Let's understand the meaning of the first phrase, fall into the trap. It means to do something harmful without realizing it. For example, I fall into the trap of watching unnecessary content on YouTube. Second, one of my friends fell into the trap of eating unhealthy food for a few months and fell ill. Students often fall into the trap of getting into bad company. Now, let's move to the second phrase, get carried away. Imagine you are standing near the sea and suddenly a strong wave carries you away into the ocean. It becomes very difficult to come back. In the same way, our emotions are like waves and sometimes we are unable to control them. So, get carried away means to completely lose control due to excitement, anger or strong emotions. Now, let's look at some examples. I got carried away when I went shopping with my friend and ended up spending all my money. Another sentence, I got carried away while talking to my friend and revealed everything that I was not supposed to say. Another sentence, I got carried away while watching my favorite show and couldn't stop myself from watching the entire series. I hope you found these phrases useful and easy to understand. Thank you for listening to me. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.